Sisters and brothers, don't forget, if you're close to God, you'll be full of hope. And you will not be, ito po ang hirap kasi, when we go to trials and sufferings of any kind, you start complaining. Dami ka nang sinasabi mga bagahe mo sa ibang tao. Even complain to God. The evil one will lead you to the road of comparing. Tignan mo siya, wala siyang sakit, ikaw may sakit ka. Mabait ka pa naman, di ba? O bakit ikaw nagkasakit? Yun, the whole thing again na guguluhin niya yung pag-isip natin. O tignan mo, kinasal na siya. Ikaw, last trip ka na siguro. Ganun. Ang sakit naman, parang that's the whole thing, the whole game of the evil one to make you compare and feel disappointed.